this Sunday conversation is going to be different. This isn't going to be a video where I'm talking about planting or gardening or harvesting or tips or anything of that nature. It's going to be about a decision. And anytime I make a decision for this channel, I like to talk openly with you about it, because you are the community that makes this channel, this community, what it is. So sit back, relax, grab your coffee. This won't be a long video, but this is a very important video for me and the direction of this channel. Over the last little while, I don't really have a time frame for this, but for a while, I've really been praying, thinking, listening to the community, to everybody, and I feel that I have probably been trying to do two things in one space. And I don't think that's quite the right direction or the right thing to do for everybody. So I've decided to make a change. Now, down home backyard gardening, the vision for this channel has always been garden focused, garden forward, garden. For us to grow together, for me to show all the craziness that runs through this brain of mine, to show the successes, the failures, everything in between, and to grow a community of gardeners where we can come to a channel. There's no stress, there's no, oh, look how perfect this garden looks, or any of those kind of things. It's just a channel where we can be ourselves, we can have a messy backyard, we can have a crazy garden, and we can share the joy and the love that we feel as gardeners in a safe, uplifting community, which is what this channel is, what this community is. And I absolutely love that for this channel and for all of us that are part of this community. I love all of that. Now, at the same time, my faith has become a very big part of the journey that I'm on. Not strictly just because of gardening, even though there's a lot of correlation between gardening and the Bible, which I've talked about on this channel, but sharing my faith in a way that is, again, encouraging, uplifting, not this is the right one, this is the wrong one, or judgmental stuff or any of that. Just sharing my thoughts and my views on that side of me, that side of my journey that I'm going through now, and that I love to share. But you know what? I've got to keep it real. Like I always say, right? I got to keep it real. Not everyone comes to this channel for that, for scripture, for faith-based stuff. And that's okay. I get it. I'm 100% okay with that. I'm a realist. Let's be real. I understand, and I understood that once I started trying to combine the two, there might be a bit of an issue, not just for y'all, but also for me. And what I mean by for me is there's a lot I want to share. There's a lot of times, like now while I'm reading the Bible on the 1-year Bible journey, there's passages that blow my mind, that are in the Bible. And, I would love to throw up a quick video and talk about the passage and what I'm thinking, and then get feedback. But I'm not going to put that on this channel. Do you know what I mean? So I've made a decision. After a lot of prayer, thought, discussions, advice, I've made a decision. Okay, so instead of pulling back on one topic, I've decided to separate the two. Now, what does that mean for down home backyard gardening? This channel is going to stay the way it has always been. The only thing that I am going to change in regards to this channel is I'm taking away the daily devotions on this channel. So Down Home Backyard Gardening is going to stay the same crazy channel that it's always been, where we're talking about gardening, experiments, cooking, harvest and taste, farm to table videos, me going out about, wherever this crazy guy goes. But the faith-based content, I am moving to my new channel. Yes, I created a new channel. Putting it up right here, Down Home and the Word. Everything faith-based is going to be moved to that channel. And to be honest, y'all, it's going to allow me to be more open on that side with that topic over there. And I can remain garden central. I can remain garden focused and everything over here. I'm excited for this. I don't see this as a negative thing in any way. In fact, I find this to be very positive because I have been at ease since making the decision. The stress that I had on me about wanting to do so much, because I stretch myself so thin, and I know I do this. I know. But I do. I stretch myself very thin because I just try to I want to do so much for everyone. I want to be there for everyone, and I can't always do that the way I want to. So everything faith-based content that I will be creating in the future will be over on the other channel, Down Home and the Word. Go over, check it out. It's going live tomorrow. So for my daily devotions and my Read the Bible in 1 year videos that have been coming out every single day since January 1st of this year, 2026, they will continue starting tomorrow on the other channel. They will not be on Down Home Backyard Gardening anymore. They will be over there. That way everybody that wants to focus on faith and also gardening, because I will put that type of stuff over on that channel, can find me over there. We can have open discussions over there, and I'm excited for this. Everything from January 1st until January 25th will also be on that channel. So it's under a playlist specific for that. Now, the other thing is the videos that I've done, my Scripture and Soil series, I'm leaving here on this channel in the playlist, but I'm also adding it to the other channel also. So this is going to truly allow me to focus my two loves in separate directions and be more free with the faith-based content on the other channel. So it's a win-win in every way. And the fact that as soon as I made the decision, I felt this massive weight lifted off my shoulders, because I felt I've been doing a disservice, especially when I have thoughts and I want to film and I'm like, I don't think that's appropriate for this channel, kind of a thing. So I went ahead and made the decision. I'm excited for being able to be free over there to explore the Word on that channel while keeping this channel out here in his garden with all of you. Right? So let me close with this, everyone. If you're here on Down Home Backyard Gardening strictly for gardening, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are the reason that this community exists. So, bottom of my heart, 1 gajillion%, thank you. If you're interested in walking this path with me down the journey that I've started sharing, then please jump over to the other channel also, and let's walk that journey together. I'm excited for it. There's no pressure, there's no expectation, there's just a very open door invitation to everybody. So everyone, I appreciate this community more than I could ever explain in words. Y'all truly mean the world to me, and I consider this community just a big, giant, awesome family. Want to say hi to everyone, or are you cold? So hey, in the next video we'll be back to gardening because we'll be dealing with the aftermath of the ice storm that's hitting the Houston, Texas, South Texas, Southeast Texas, the South right now as you're watching this video. So y'all take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you, and I'll talk to y'all again real soon.